Manipur lakliba Anouba Leingak Asina State Asigi Meeyamgi Damak Leplakkani Haibagi Thajaba lei haina Lok Sabha gi MP Dr. Bimol Akoijam na phongdorakli. Wafamasi kunmanga suba Manipur State Dental Conference pangthokpaga luinana kuntramanga suba Annual Conference ki thauramda phongdokhibani. Indian Dental Association IDA na sindana Imphal gi lamphel patalai by Indian Medical Association gi auditorium da pangthokhiba thoram aduda MP Bimol na makha taraduna state asigi oiriba fibam asida masagi oiba Leingak ama semlakba asi afaba khongthang amani haikhi. Thoramadu the Health Services Manipur gi Director Dr. N. Hemantakumar, IDA gi President Dr. B. Gokul Chandra Sarmasu Sarukyaki. Loinana Thoramadu the Dr. T. Navachandra the IDA Lifetime Achievement Award Kursinabaga Luinana Kumja Lisingani Kunmeri Kunmangagi Meritorious Students Award Amasung Literary Award Singsu Kursinaki.
I think that's the positive part of the development. We have been thankfully saved from the embarrassment of our leaders running to Delhi now and then. They don't care about what's going on in this state. The fact that people have not been able to get access to public facilities like airports or the highways. There are thousands of people are in IDA, relief camps, all these things, as if these don't matter. Their own formation of government is seemingly more important. So that very embarrassing situation of running here and there for that one, that has thankfully come to an end. I think that's the positive part.